Ready to share your voice with the world. Discover how to effortlessly create a stunning blog website on Wix. No coding skills required, just your creativity. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful online presence today. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a blog website in Wix.com. So this is the home page as you can see. All you have to do is open your browser and dive into Wix.com. So here we have it. We have various things here and the various options. So to get started, you have just to click over here and you get started. You will find this page as you can see. If you want to log in, if you already have an account, you click over here and you write your email address and your password, then you get started. But if you want to sign up, you will find this page as you can see. Have to write your email address, confirm your email address, choose a password, confirm the password, then you sign up. Also, you can use other option which is Facebook and Google also. So once you're done with your inscription, and it's very easy, you have just to follow these steps and you will find this page. Here we have it. What type of website do you want to create? So you have to select, for example, blog or blog coming soon. Also here we have mindfulness blog, life blog, entertainment blog, and various things. So for example, I will just select block like that and I will click over continue as you can see. Once you do that, you will find here the dashboard as you can see. Here we have it and this is how it looks. So Wix is an intuitive website builder perfect for creating your own blog. With its drag and drop interface, you can easily customize your site without any coding skills. Choose from a wide range of professional templates to showcase your content. Whether you are showcasing or sharing personal stories or expert insights, Wix helps you engage your audience effectively. Start your blogging journey with Wix and bring your ideas to life. So watch this video until the end and start following the steps, and for sure you will achieve your goal, which is creating a blog website in Wix. So let's get started. So what we have to do right now is just click over design your site. So once you do that, you will find other page which is this one. You have just firstly to answer this question: how would you like to design your website? You have here to customize a template, browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. So click over pick a template, or you choose here this option, generate a design with AI, get a personalized site design in seconds. So click over generate a design. So I'll select for example this one, and then you will find other page which is this one. So let's come back here to the home page. As you can see, so let's wait for it. So here we have it. As you can see, here we have, if you wanna just search for the template that you want, you can select community here, creative, store, business and services. So you have just to select the one you want. We have here various niches. So I'll select for example blog, and I will select for example the one I want. For here we have personal blog, food and travel, new and businesses, arts, fashion and beauty, and we have sports and wellness. Also we have podcast. So let's come back here, let's just scroll down, so here we have also a various things. You can just select the one you want. For example, I will select this one and I will click over edit. Once you do that, you will find other page which is one that I already saw together. So as you can see, let's wait and we will just modify all these things. So here we have chosen a new design will create a brand new site. Your previous site will be saved under my sites. So I will just click over create new site, or I will customize previous design. So I will click over customize preview design and let's wait for it. So as you can see, here we have the home page for customizing, as you can see. So let's click on over home and you click over manage pages. So once you do that, you will find this home. We have here about travel, eat, relax, videos, and blog. So you can just delete the one you don't like. So for example, I will delete this one. I will delete this one also, and I will create my own. So here we have it, as you can see. For example, I will delete also this one. We'll go to this one, and I will just click for delete also, and then you create yours. So here we have it. All right. Also, you can find here Wix block. You can set block or posts, and we have also other options like here we have if wanna EA generator, if wanna other options like here we have apps, and here we have also if you wanna settings here, and images. If you wanna add something, you have just to click over here, and then here we have the who. If you wanna search for something, if you wanna edit, you can just click over here. If you wanna add a section, also if you don't like or you make a mistake, you have just to click over endo or click over redo. Here you have also if you want to zoom out, as you can see, and this is how it looks. All right, and also we have here other options, as you can see. So for example, we have CMS media. For example, about media, you'll find here other options, which is this one. So let's show you how. So right now, let's show you how you can add a section. For example, click over add a section. Here choose your starting point. For example, we have design section, yes, section generator, and we have add elements. So for example, I will click over design sections. So we will find here if you want about here, or you want here gallery, theme, contact, features, promotion, business info, and subscribe, and other options. So for example, I will just select this one, for example. Then here we have it, as you can see, and this is how it looks. Also, you can just delete all these things and you add yours. So this is it. Right now, once you're done, you click over publish, and you will find it here in the dashboard, as you can see. So here we have my site, and then I click over it and you share it with your friends, with other things, and here we have it. So let's come back here to the dashboard. So here we have here the 5 steps that you have to do to set up. Write your first blog post, design your website, get found on Google. So you have just to do these steps, and you're done with creating a website, a blog website I mean, on Wix.com. So Wix empowers you to create a captivating blog website with ease and creativity. Its user-friendly tools and diverse templates make it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. By choosing Wix, you can focus on what truly matters: sharing your voice and connecting with your audience. Start building your blog post today and watch your ideas come to life. So this is how it looks, and this is how you can get started by writing a blog website on Wix.com. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.